Good morning, traders. Today is September 6th here, Thursday morning. My name is Michael Sabo here with RJO Futures, bringing you some commentary here in the energy markets. So let's get right down to it. What do we got going on here today? Well, energy prices, are retracing from yesterday's sell-off here. We've got, pretty significant up action in the market here right now. We're pushing around 96, 94. So just a minute ago here, we did cross over around the 97 area here. We're up about $1.60 here right now. So certainly a firmer tone there. Brent firmer as well, although not as much here, but we're still up 106, trading around 114.15. Nat gas a bit weaker here. Right now we got nat gas down about 2 to 3 cents here, trading around about 276.5 area. Complex firmer, the RBOB 299.43, that's up about 4.5 cents, and the heat around 314.56 here, that's up around 280. So what do we got going on here today? Yesterday the theme was much weaker. We had some disappointing economic data out. Today the theme is, well, we've got some decent data that did come out here just this morning here. With one of the job reports. Of course, remember here we got big non-farm payroll here tomorrow, so traders are looking at that. But that, and I told you yesterday here, remember, keep an eye on that ECB policy statement here, and Draga basically reinforcing the idea that they're going to put together basically an unlimited bond buying program there, but they're going to go ahead and they're going to monitor the inflation, so that we don't see inflationary pressures really step into that market. So it's causing a lot of markets here, mixed reactions here. I mean, take a look at your metals here. They don't really know what to do, it looks like. Crude prices rallying on that. S&P much firmer here. We're seeing kind of a real push here to the upside. Not a new high yet on that September contract on the S&P, but certainly pushing, gunning towards it here right now. And so the market's here a little euphoric here, and they're pushing on it. Now, taking a look at the technical side of things here, and I think this is important here to look at here. On September 4th, we hit a high of around around 97.38 area. And then, we saw some weakness, and we saw weakness in there yesterday. Yesterday, we hit a low of 94.26, but the market did kind of turn back. Earlier in the day, it was kind of looking like a bearish reversal action. We crossed back down below the 200-day moving average. So, market is pushing higher right now. I'm thinking we could see some rejection up here. So, if I was on the long side of that market, I'd be kind of cautious here. Certainly make sure you're using some good risk management strategies. Call me, you want to talk about entry, exit levels, and so forth. But with that market kind of coming up and retracing that, we've now seen basically, we saw 2 good down days, market kind of coming up, pushing up near that high. We haven't made yet a new recent high here, but we are pushing in that area. We are back up above the 200-day. I think, traders should still be watching here the downside in that market. I'm not convinced that all this information that is coming out, unless the jobs report, the non-farm payrolls is really outstanding here. Otherwise, I think be cautious here. Now, we did have API data out yesterday. There was a larger than expected draw, so that helped add to the bullish tone. We got DOE coming out today. They're looking for about a 5.5 million barrel draw there. So that's a pretty substantial draw. If we come in underneath that expectation, we could see possibly some pullback in that market. So give me a call if you'd like to talk. The number to the trade desk, 800-367-7290. And of course, remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk. It may not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.